So XRP and Walmart. Yeah, got your attention, right? It got mine. Now, what I'm about to share with you is not confirmed. This is not an official deal. This is actually an illustration. This is a really good dialogue that we need to have because there is something coming and it is on its way. It is major companies like Walmart adopting blockchain technology. That is 100% happening. No one can dispute that. No one should dispute that. And if you look at a company like Ripple and what do, they move money. When you're talking about a major company like Walmart, they are going to want to leverage blockchain technology to make more money themselves, to reduce their costs, and to quite possibly even give a better experience to their customers if it ultimately drives profit and revenue for Walmart. And so therein lies the real point, is that this is the beginning of when we are going to start to see companies coming out and saying, we are partnering with Ripple, we are partnering with that company over there for these particular aspects of blockchain technology. Okay, so let me share with you what I've got here for you. Okay, so this was an X post from X Finance Bull, and he was talking about Walmart on XRP ledger preparing ? But listen, billions in supplier payments, right? How big is Walmart and their supplier network? Tens of thousands of suppliers, billions of supplier payments, loyalty rewards. How big is their loyalty reward program? Even gift cards could land on chain with XRP, Ripple as the settlement rails, the financial rails, the blockchain rails. Not confirmed yet, but Ripple has the rails wide open. If this giant flips the switch, XRP won't just move, it'll melt faces. Again, I think it's worth a dialogue. And I am not saying, and please don't write in the comments, oh, this is not true. This is a discussion. But it's one that you need to understand, and it's one that you need to go, okay, I'm starting to see how the pieces are gonna fit, how companies like Walmart, Amazon, and just plenty of others, Bank of America, Citi, and so forth, but even really companies in the massive companies in the retail sectors leveraging technology like Ripple's is revolutionary to them. And they will and are going to adopt it. And that's the interesting part. And that's the point I really wanted to share with you. That's really the interesting story here, is that, again, you're early. You're here now. You're here way early. You've bought XRP at whatever price point you've bought. And you're early because it's going to be 10x, 20x, 30x down the line. And you'll be talking to your friends and your grandkids. Well, I remember when I bought XRP at $1 at 50 cents, and they will look at you like it was when you could buy Bitcoin for $200. Again, food for thought. So I want to give a shout out to X Finance Bull for the idea for the video. I thought that this was absolutely 100% a discussion worth having to really talk about the fact that major companies like Walmart are on the horizon of leveraging technology like Ripple's. And by the way, Ripple's the biggest and the best at what they do in this sector. And again, in the financial rails, think about it, the financial rails sector. It's worth noting. And it's worth knowing that this is coming. It's a matter of when, not if, that this is going to happen. Okay. So before I let you go, I've got to make you aware that I've got, again, this trading indicator called X1 Algo. We've added a whole new indicator into the suite, and it's been added in. No additional price has gone up. If you're an existing X1 user, you get this for free. It will automatically show up in your account. And by the way, we have launched, as of last week, we have a private community. This is our Discord community for X1. I want to show you this. We have live training. Look, this is live training, X1 Algo trading and intro. On Tuesday, July 8th, we're going to have a live training at 12 p.m. You can see right there, X1 Algo trading and real-time setups. This is all stuff having to do. So on Tuesday, there's a training class. On Wednesday, there's a training class. On Thursday, July 10th, there's a training class. For Saturday crypto follow-up. This is all here in in the capacity of helping you make even more money in crypto, helping you become a better trader so that you know when to buy and when to sell and leverage this technology that we've put together for you that's called X1 Algo. Links are in the description below. It's about $1.15 per day after that discount code down there, SP1. Use that code at checkout. There's a 30-day no questions asked. And again, we have this community for you. Everything's here for you. You can get help. There's going to be lots of cool stuff. There's sharing profits section. Lots of really great stuff is going to be in here for you to help you make you even more of a profitable trader. And you can see we've added this new oscillator in here. It's going to help you know even more when to buy, when to sell, to lock in those profits. You can use the software for stocks as well as for crypto, obviously. So Tesla, this is the Tesla chart. You can see right here how it's buying and selling, giving you these buy alerts. And this oscillator gives you even early insight into the behavior of the charting and how it's running, and gives you even more insight to make even more earlier plays and lock even more profit into your trading. And that's what it does. Okay. So again, completely full support environment with custom tutorial videos, tutorials in this area, live classes. Nobody's offering you live classes. We're giving you live classes. Literally, there's a live person who's going to be teaching you everything you need to know to make even more money, to make even more profit for yourself, for your family, help you achieve your goals. If you're not using technology like this, and by the way, again, it's literally about $1.15 a day. $1.15 a day. If you don't like it, you get a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. But isn't $1.15 worth it to you to at least try, at least give it a look? You have zero risk in this, right? Give it a look. And you can get into the Discord, the private X1 trading community, get your help, get classes, attend a live class. By the way, the classes are recorded, so you can watch them later if you want. They are recorded, so you can go check them out. Okay. So everything's here for you. I'm giving it up for you for about $1.15. Don't begrudge me $1 and a few pennies if it can help you make you even more money, right? That's what it's really about. So give it a look. Links are down there. Go give it a look. If you're watching this on X, the link is below this video as well, and you can get started. Give her a try. Okay. So again, what do you think? Drop in the comments below. What do you think about companies like Walmart, like big retail companies, even other sectors, right? Leveraging Ripple's technology. This is coming. It is coming. Billions in supplier payments, loyalty rewards, gift cards, all on chain with XRP as the settlement rails. Yeah, that would be a good day. All right. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Thank you for your support. And we'll see you down the road. And let's take a look at XRP real quickly before we leave. Right now, we are trading down about 0.5. So the entire market is down a little bit. It's down. It's at 0.1, but you can see it's flat. Not a lot of liquidity, not a lot of volume flowing in. Later.